Good morning, everybody. We are in July. It's been a little minute since I did a video, and I wanted to go over pruning, summer pruning of apples with you guys. Here are my apple trees. You can see all this upward growth. We're gonna trim these back to these spurs. On my Livingston here, you can see I got quite a good crop. I tried to do this early in the morning. I should talk to you face to face. I try to do this early in the morning because underneath, tip you down so you can see, underneath my apple trees I have all this lavender, and the bees, they're already starting to come, so try and do it before they get here. But we're gonna go start up at the top here. And on these ones that are coming up horizontal, we're just looking for 2 nodes. We're just gonna pinch that back there. Yeah, right here. Pinch these off. This is for vertical growth. We prune for the vertical growth in the summertime, and typically the horizontal growth in the winter, or the stuff that's going out, cut that back. So for form in the wintertime, and for function in the summertime, function being too much growth going upwards, see how this branch is coming, then it shoots straight up. So we're going to come back and get rid of the growth that's coming straight out the top. Yeah, that's better. Have to move. You can see I'm not getting into the apples. The apples are very close to the base here, and that's not where we're trimming. There's one down here. Coming out the top. Coming out the top. This is my horizontal. We'll have to wrap this in somehow. Weeds too. All right, looking better. All right, one more up here. There, that's looking better. Left hand. Cut that one off. There. This one's going horizontal. We'll do that in the winter time. We are moving on. Some of this stuff is lower. You can see this down in here. Get rid of that weed. Make sure we get all our upward growth here. This one right here. Cut that one back. Doesn't look too bad. There's some stuff right here. Cut that back, that back, that back, this one, and this one. This one here, that one. That is dandelion. Get rid of it. Way down in here. There we go. This one here. Tip that back. That's a. I have to decide which one of these in the winter. Come over here. Hey, over here. I have to decide which one of these I want in the winter time. I've got my lateral coming here. There's a lot of extra little growth here that I don't need. So I'll probably get rid of all 4 of these in the winter, but not in the summer. Tip it back anyways. There we go. You know, if you make a mistake, you just wait a year and redo it. These trees grow. They put on new growth and start over again. So if you screw it up, you're just wasting time. But, you know, it's a learning process. Tip that back at least. We are always learning. You see this over here? We want it to look nice, you know, nice and horizontal. Good structure. Give you some airflow through here. Tip that back. This one is getting to the top where I need to pull this over and figure out where I'm going to go. I got one more up here, way at the top. Here, on this side. There. Now we'll look at our horizontals. at least our first couple of rows here, they don't look too bad. There's a few down in here that are coming a little bit too high. This one here. This one up here needs to be tied back, but it's doing okay. You can see right here, it needs to be tied into this edge here. Let's go around the back side. You see this one. That one's gonna have to come off in the winter time. These, and this one here, it's in the wrong space. It's got no apples on it. We'll prune it way back. We got this guy. Wish you guys could smell this plant here with the green on it. There's gonna be a whole lot of white flowers. I'm glad they're not out yet because the bees, man, they go crazy. And we're talking like the little tiny not humming, but the honey. The honeybees. That's a thistle. I hate those thistles. But the honeybees love this. Okay, I got one up in here. There we go. This is looking okay. Down in here, got one I was hiding. This one needs to be tied in over here so it looks decent. There we go. That one right up here. This one needs to be tied in. I'll get to those. This one right here. This one's coming out laterally, but it's got a little up hook right there. Little vertical right there. Little vertical right here. Again, got some weird growth going on there, so I'll tip it back. Here, look at this thing. Coming out down here. It's not doing anybody any good down in there. All right, these look okay up here. Let's tip it back a little. Actually, I'm gonna cut that way back. Up there. Those look all right. Back here, this one. All right, this one gets tipped back here at the end of its lifespan. All right, there we go. Just like that. We're looking a whole lot better. I missed a few back in here. Oh, those are the tips I gotta tie back in. But right in the middle, I gotta tip that one back. There. This one. And that one. And this one. That's looking better. There. So that's it for the apples. That didn't take long. 20 minutes. I hope you guys have a great day.